You just entered a Strong Labs, place to break down barriers and build up your cyber skills. What is going on, Cyber Warriors? Jason Strong back with another video. And today I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough about the advent of Cyber Prep Track. So basically what this is TryHackMe giving you a little intro as to what you're going to see, what tools you might use, or just basically how to submit flags for each of these upcoming challenges. These are just this was just an intro on what the Advent Cyber is. This was giving you an intro on how to use TryHackMe if you've never done it before. And then this is just social media links, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and all that. And they have some swag. This shirt is fire. I think I'm gonna get one of these shirts. Preferably the one on the left. This one is really nice. So introduction, the best festival company. Um, This name keeps coming up. King Malhair. What does it mean? Complete 10 short missions, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's go. I'm going to go through these really quick and then explain anything if I need to explain anything. So, create a strong password that passes all system checks and isn't found in the leaked password list. So, we can literally put anything that we want that is at least 12 characters, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. And then it's not a breeze database. So, I'm going to create something. Uh, Winter hacker new hack one exclamation. This is literally impossible. Not impossible. Hydra's a really strong tool, but that was just a random password, and then we got the flag. Suspicious chocolate.exe. So it seems like we're gonna be using virus total for this one. Determine if chocolate.exe is safe or infected. Click scan, review the scan, and then blah blah blah. All right. So what if you guys don't know what virus total is? It's basically like an analyzer that you can put a bunch of different things like executable files. You can put in files. You can put in IP addresses, hashes, just a bunch of different things that you can find, like indicators of compromise that you can find in a cyber attack, and this will let you know if it's safe or malicious. I'm gonna say this is malicious, because it's new. Malhair Trojan. We've been talking. He's a bad guy, and we're going to get this flag. So find and read the hidden welcome message inside your attack box. So we're inside the TryHackMe Kali Linux attack box. Um, ls to show everything, to show all. CD to go into this directory. CD change directories to here, and then cat welcome.txt. Cat is going to let us read what's inside the text file, and this is what's inside there, and then our flag. So let's go. CMD conundrum. So now we're going to be doing something similar, but inside of the command prompt, which is the Windows version of terminal. Dir does the same thing as ls, but this is for Windows. Command prompt. Dir a to reveal hidden files. There's only one directory in here right now, mystery data, so we're gonna go in there, and then we're going to do dir to see what's here. Only notes.txt, but then if we do dir a hidden, and then we're gonna do type, which is the same thing as cat, but in CMD. It's basically the equivalent. All right. Linux lore. Locate McSkitty's hidden message in his Linux home directory. CD home McSkitty. So we're gonna use ls. This tells us permissions that we have to like files, and then ls-la is going to show us hidden messages as well, which is kind of like the dir/a. This is -a. And then cat.secret message to open up what's inside the message. And then this is what it is. Trust no bunny. Trust no bunny. That's a good one, TryHackMe. All right. Check if Miss Kitty's email has appeared in the data breach. So, have I been pwned? This is also, I think Have I Been Pwned is like open source, but it's a tool that anybody can use to see if your email address has been inside of a data breach, leaked in a data breach. And unfortunately, McSkitties has. And this is our flag. All right, what's the next one? Wi-Fi woes in Wareville. Log into the router and change the password. And secure it with a strong password. So we just gotta change this password. That just put anything you want. 12 characters, uppercase, lowercase. Just make sure it's a strong password, and it does not appear in the data breach list. The app trap. Find and remove the malicious connected app. So we're gonna look at apps that. In this, we're gonna look at apps that have like suspicious permissions. Um, the weather app has permission for location, makes sense. Network access makes sense, and then notifications, which all that makes sense. The gift tracker, I guess I don't even know what this app is, but contact, storage, and network access. Contacts might be a little iffy, but it's fine for now, I guess. But then we're gonna look at the eSmith scheduler, calendar, notifications, and then password vault. Why do you need to check my passwords? That's a little weird, right? For a scheduler, for a calendar. So let's revoke that, and then we get our flag. Chatbot confession. Identify which chatbot messages contain sensitive information. So just right off the bat, I can see this is an internal admin page. Staging admin lives at blah blah blah. So that's bad. Email credentials as requested. Festive ops. Snow globe password. Okay. And then this is a service token for the mail API. So these three, I believe. Let's submit it, and then we get our flag. Last but not least, the bunny browser's trail. Find the unusual user agent in the HTTP log. All right, so right here, we're looking at all our user agents, Mozilla. So Firefox. This one is Bunny OS, OPSEC bot. It's clearly that's the unusual one because all the rest of the ones are Firefox. So submit it, get our flag, and let's wrap up this thing. The finish line. Well done for making your way through the Advent of Cyber 2025's prep track. These mini challenges have been designed to familiarize you with some of the key tricks and tools you'll need at your disposal to help save Sockmas in this year's event. If you're looking to start your cybersecurity journey, there's no better place to do this than with us. As we take you on a tour of topics from Linux CLI to prompt injection, putting you up to speed with the world of cyber and all, while earning chances to win some of our amazing prizes in our annual AOC giveaway. All right. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.